In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag teammates in Trello comments. If you're new to Trello or just want a reliable way to get someone's attention on a task, tagging teammates in the comments is one of the simplest and most effective habits you can build. We'll move through the process from opening your board to making sure your message actually reaches the right person. And I'll share a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your Trello board and clicking on the specific card where you want to leave a message. This takes you to the card's detailed view. Scroll until you see the Comments and Activities section. That's your workspace for quick updates, clarifications, and decisions. If the section isn't immediately visible, it's usually just below the card description and any existing activity. Pause here for a moment to gather context. Reading what's already been shared helps you write a clearer comment. Next, it's time to mention the teammate you want to notify. Click into the comment box and type the @ symbol. As soon as you do, Trello opens a list of suggested team members. You can also click the @ icon just below the comment field to pick someone from the same list. If your workspace has a lot of members, keep typing a few letters of the person's name or username to narrow the suggestions. This makes it easy to choose the correct person and avoid alerting the wrong teammate. Now select the person's username from the list, type your message, and click Save. That's it. Trello will ping them with a notification in their bell icon and send an email, so your note won't get lost. For a message that lands well, keep it short, specific, and actionable. For example, start with what you need, add a brief bit of context from the card, and include any deadline or next step. Clear comments reduce back and forth and keep the card's history useful for everyone. Before you move on, give your comment a quick reread to ensure it's polite, precise, and free of sensitive information. When everything looks right, the Save click officially posts it to the card's activity, creating a transparent record your whole team can reference later. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.